Hey guys, this is Yoga Batmanaban. In this video, we will see the prerequisites for automation testing. Since we are going to see automation testing with Selenium WebDriver and Java, first we need to install Java, then Eclipse IDE for Java development, and then Maven for project development. We will see how to install Java. In your browser, search for Oracle Java. Then open Oracle Java download from oracle.com. So the latest version is Java 19. We will download this now. So if you have Windows OS, you can select this Windows. Then select this 64-bit installer. Just click this link. The exe file will be downloaded. It will take some time to download. Downloaded now. Now we can open this file. The JDK setup window is open now. Click on Next button. The path for the installation is provided here. Click Next. The installation is started now. JDK installation is successfully completed. Now close this window. Next step is just go to the folder where the Java is installed. Under C folder, in program files, we have Java folder. You can find the JDK 19 folder here. So inside that, open this bin folder. Now copy this location. So after Java installation, we need to set Java environment variable. For that, search environment variable in start menu. Now select this edit the system environment variable. Here select this environment variable button. Under system variable, we have the path variable. Just select it. Now click on the new button. Now paste the location you copied. So that's all. We have set up the Java environment variable here. Click OK button in all the open windows. Next, we are going to verify our Java is installed successfully or not. Search cmd in start menu, that is command prompt. Open this command prompt. Now type java space hyphen version and then press enter key. So we can see the Java version installed is 19 here. Great, our Java installation is successful. Next we will install Eclipse IDE. It's nothing but an integrated development environment. So it's most popular for Java development and it has an extensible plugin system. Thus we are choosing this Eclipse for Java. Search for Eclipse download in the browser. Select Eclipse download from eclipse.org. So this is what we are going to install, Eclipse IDE 2022-12. That is the latest version. But we will just see what are all the packages under this installer. The first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developer, is the best one because it has inbuilt Maven and Git. You need not install it again. Okay, let's download this installer first. Open the downloaded exe file. So we will select Eclipse IDE for Java developer as I said earlier. We can see that the Java version is selected by the Eclipse automatically since we installed Java already. Next, the path for installation is also provided here. Now click on install button. It will take some time for installing. After installation, you will get this launch button. Just click on it. The Eclipse IDE will open now. You can give any name to your workspace. I am giving it as Automation Eclipse Workspace. Now click on Launch. You can see the workspace is created in the specified path. Eclipse is open now. Close this welcome window. We can see the package explorer. So we have installed Java and Eclipse and ready for automation testing. In the next video, we will see how to create Maven project, which is very important for creating automation framework.